Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear struts on your Dodge Journey. Start by lifting the vehicle safely, supporting it with jack stands, and removing the rear wheel. Next, unbolt the sway bar link and lower control arm fasteners to free the strut assembly. Keep track of hardware and note alignment marks. Compress the spring carefully if needed, then remove the top mount bolts and replace the strut with the new unit. Begin removal by loosening lug nuts and lifting the rear with a jack, then placing jack stands under solid points. Remove the wheel and unbolt the lower strut knuckle bolts, gently separating the hub from the strut without stressing brake lines. Remove the top mount nuts inside the trunk or wheel well, then lower the strut assembly out. Keep bolts and hardware organized and take photos to reference during reassembly for correct orientation and torque values. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I love the simple path to wealth for practical money advice that makes budgeting for repairs easier and less stressful. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy or related offers. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Place the new strut into position and hand thread the top mount nuts to hold it in place, then align the lower mount with the knuckle and insert bolts. Torque all fasteners to factory specifications and reconnect any sway bar links or sensors. Reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, and torque lug nuts properly. Finally, verify ride height and schedule a professional wheel alignment to ensure proper handling and tire wear after replacing both rear struts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.